Hi, this is Attorney Shah Purali, and I wanted to make this quick video about a class action by the UNNJ students filed by the great attorney Kurzban, and I'm very happy that finally, in all this chaos and all this uncertainty time, people are still looking at justice, and the lawsuit was filed in the Eastern District of New York, requesting certification of a class action, and where they challenged the U.S. Department of Homeland Security basically to reinstate a bunch of things. For one, they want to explaining, of course, the whole UNNJ student situation, the University of Northern New Jersey. And for those who have followed me will know what has happened there. It was a setup school by the government to pretty much kind of quote unquote catch students who were committing some kind of fraud. But more and more, when we dig into the stories, it was not really working the way it was planned. So now at this point, it is kind of there is a lawsuit which has been filed, a class action. Hopefully it will be certified and we will see some good results in there. That doesn't mean you should just think, okay, everybody's going to get everything, because this is just a class action. And what they are requesting at the end of this class action, the relief as we call it, because when you file a case like that, and I'm reading here from a copy of the lawsuit itself, is they're asking a bunch of things from us, including for of course the allegations are saying that it was not lawful the way it was done, etc. But the reliefs are the most important part that we usually have to look at. That, for one, they're asking to certify the class action. Of course, in order for you to move forward, a class action has to be certified, and I'm not going to go into details of that. And they also want to declare that they want the court to say that the students didn't willfully violated their enrollment by getting in UNNJ, because it was arbitrary and capricious, because everything, like I was saying before, it looked like a dog, everything was working fine. So how will they know it was a fake score? And number three, they want an injunction. An injunction is basically forcing the government to do something, that not to use the evidence of the paperwork that was used in UNNJ for their future immigration case, which is something good. And they also want an impartial adjudicator in this case, because yeah, you remember the whole thing is under Department of Justice. They want someone independent to look at the case when deciding on their future immigration. And they want the USCIS they want USCIS to not ICE and USCIS not to look at the past enrollment to make a decision on their future, and I mentioned that a little bit earlier, on their future immigration application. And also the termination of the F1, they want it to be reversed, and ultimately they want to be able to transfer to other schools. So those reliefs are very reasonable, I think. In fact, I hope it goes through. I wish there were a little bit more relief on it, but I think Kurzban, who's an excellent lawyer, one of the best, as we know, he wrote the book, and actually I hope he will be able to get something for those students, and hopefully we will be able to bring them back, those who have left, and for those who are here, ultimately they will get some relief. And this is just an update. I don't have more on that class action. It was just filed yesterday. As we get more information, I will keep you informed. Good luck, and anything I'm telling today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. Thank you.